Hello guys, today I'm going to show you how you can save any website from Google Chrome or any other browsers to your desktop. How you can save, it can be YouTube, it can be Google, it can be Amazon, it can be any website. So let's get started and see how you can do it. So you can quickly access them from the desktop. So the first thing that we need to do is to open the Google Chrome or your browser or any other browser, and then you go to the website that you want to save, and then we click on these three dots. It should be similar to every browser, it's some way the same process. So just click on these three dots here, and then here you will click on save and share, and then here you will click here on create shortcut, and here we will select create, and now if you want you can pin the website, but we will not, so no thanks. If you want you can, but I will not do it now. And then if you want you can go here on start, and here you will see the recently added, so you can see here Google Chrome, and now you can pin it to the start. If you want you can put it here, so just hold it and drag it here, and as you can see, if I click here it automatically enters on the website that I saved. Or you can go again here to start and just drag it out and put it on desktop. And as you can see here, here's the Google, and if I click it, as you can see, it's the same result, and is, as you can see, same result, and it's on Google website. So that's pretty much just how you can do it. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this kind of content and it was useful for you, don't forget to subscribe to the channel, and see you in the next video. Bye.